In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video, YouTube, Facebook, computer in Hostinger Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get your video showing on your site with confidence. Start on your Hostinger homepage. This is the main dashboard where all of your websites are listed. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct project you want to update. Keeping your workspace tidy and knowing which site you're editing helps avoid publishing changes in the wrong place. From the website list, click Edit Website for the site you want to work on. That will open the Hostinger Website Builder. Give it a moment to load. You should see your site layout in the main area and your editing tools along the left side. If you're working with a template, think ahead about where a video will add the most value, perhaps a hero section, a portfolio block, or a testimonials area. On the left navigation, click Elements. This panel is where you'll find everything you can add to your page, organized by type. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, scroll through the categories or use the search field at the top to quickly locate media items. Now choose Video. Selecting the video element adds it to your page and opens its settings so you can decide where the video comes from. You have 3 straightforward options. For a YouTube video, paste the standard share URL into the field provided. This keeps load times fast and lets YouTube handle streaming. For a Facebook video, use the direct link to the post where the video lives. Make sure the video's privacy setting on Facebook allows it to be viewed publicly, or it may not display for your visitors. If you prefer to host the file yourself, pick the option to upload from your computer. MP4 is a widely supported format, and keeping your file optimized and under a reasonable size helps your page load quickly. Once the source is set, take a moment to adjust basic display options. Choose an appropriate size or aspect ratio that matches your section, and position the element so it aligns nicely with surrounding text and images. Consider toggles like autoplay, mute, and controls based on your audience's needs and accessibility best practices. Autoplay with sound can be disruptive, while visible controls give viewers choice. That's all there is to it. Head to the right area of your site from the Hostinger homepage. Open the editor, go to Elements, and select Video. Then point it to YouTube, Facebook, or a file from your computer. With these simple steps, your site gets richer, more engaging, and ready to showcase your content.